Tables allow you to present complex data in a simple and easy to read manner. However, if you use tables in Microsoft Word, you will be surprised to discover that Microsoft Word has two default settings for tables that actually make tables more difficult to understand and interpret. In this video, let's see what those two problems are and also look at ways to resolve those two problems. The first problem is that with the default setting for tables in Microsoft Word, the content within some rows can split across pages. This makes the content in those rows difficult to read and understand. You're also not sure which column header that content corresponds to. Let's see how to resolve this issue in MS Word tables. To resolve this issue, you need to update the setting for rows in the table. To do this, you need to first select the table. To select the table, hover your cursor to the top left of the table until you see this icon that looks like a box with arrows. Right-click the icon and choose the option that says Table Properties. In Table Properties, navigate to the Row tab. Here you will see the option that says that the row can split across pages. If you do not want the row to split across pages, then deselect this option and click OK. You now see that the row does not span across pages and the content for the row appears on a single page. This simple change has made the table much more readable. While this problem impacts the readability of tables, it is not so bad as the other problem that definitely impacts the readability of tables and makes them very difficult to understand. This problem occurs because the default setting in MS Word does not allow the column headers to repeat across pages. Let's look at this example. I have data for some students, including the marks and percentages. If you scroll across to the next page, you will see that you have all the data for the students, but because you do not have the headers for the columns, you are not sure which column headers that data belongs to. For instance, you're not sure whether 30 refers to the marks or to the percentage, and likewise whether 60 refers to the percentage or to the marks. It would be great if you can repeat the column headers across pages so that this becomes easy to understand. There is in fact such a setting in Microsoft Word. To apply the setting, select the row that you want as your header row. To do so, hover to the left of the row you want to select and click. You'll see that the row is selected. Then right click and open Table Properties. Here, go to the Row tab and here you'll see the second option that says Repeat Header Rows across pages. This is the setting that you want. Click the setting to ensure that your header row repeats across all the pages. With the header row repeated across all the pages where the table exists, you'll now be able to identify which header the data in the table belongs to. To summarize, we looked at two major problems with the default settings for tables in Microsoft Word and how to resolve them. The first problem had to do with the content of rows splitting or breaking across pages. And the second problem had to do with header rows not repeating across pages, thereby making it difficult to understand which columns the data in those tables belong to. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.